Hey guys, what's up? As you can see, I'm doing some moto camping. I'm in the Namaji State Forest in Minnesota, and I'm going to be waking up bright and early and testing out the KTM after I put a few upgrades on it. I left work a little early, got here about 4 p.m. and pretty much had the pick of the campsite, so I got a huge one. But the campground's full now, so we lucked out there. I am exhausted, I'm tired, so probably gonna be turning in here soon, but I hope to get some good riding footage tomorrow to share with you guys. And this little moto camper behind me has been a project I've been working on for the last few weeks, and I'll be doing a walkthrough of that soon, so stay tuned. We'll catch up with you tomorrow. Hey guys, one last thing I wanted to say is you got to make time for yourself to get out and ride. I know for me, I'm kind of one of those people that everything has to be perfect or kind of my plans fall through. At least that's what my fiance tells me, but I've gotten to a point now where it's just nothing's ever going to be perfect, and you just got to get out and go. And that's what I've been doing, and everything so far has been working great. So you got to make time for yourself, because for me, getting out and riding, and by no means am I an expert, you know, rider, but I come out here and I ride my own ride and I have fun, and it's therapy for me. So it gets me away from work, and before you know it, in Minnesota, it's going to be 2 feet of snow on the ground. So take care of yourself, make time for yourself. Even if you have a family, you know, it's important to get out and get some alone time. So with that being said, let's get out there and ride. And it's getting warm out. There's some definite mud pits on the trail, so it must have rained here recently. But really enjoying the upgrades on the KTM. That exhaust sounds incredible. So that's the Graves exhaust, highly recommend it. And of course the ECU from Taco Mike. The way that changed the bike is just unbelievable. Obviously these come pretty corked up from the factory, so if you're considering that, that would be one I would recommend. So yeah, you can see she's a bit muddy. I do have the insert in the exhaust. I kind of want to take it out because where else would I do it besides here? But like I said, I didn't know if the trails were exactly going to be open, and when you take that insert out, it sounds like a monster coming through the woods. So yeah, that's that. But anyways, I'll check in with you guys here later. Oh yeah, another thing that's worth its weight in gold is the Trail Tech, because otherwise I would have no idea where I'm going out here. So definitely pick one of them up if you can.
Oh, I love this ECU. Torque on tap. Oh shit. That exhaust system. Tires on here. It's worth, but I don't really ride on the road much. I like to get a more dirt one.
Alright guys, I wanted to give you a quick tour of the setup I got here for moto camping. And this is a Intech Explore 2023. If you're looking for something smaller that will haul your bike, you can sleep in it, I highly recommend that. I love it because I can haul it with the Jeep, because the Jeep towing capacity is terrible. But you can kind of see how I have it set up. I also have an awning on the Jeep. It's got a slide out kitchen. I've done some work to it. I got 200 watts of solar on the roof. I have another 200 watt panel up there, or excuse me, at home. I just got to get it mounted up there, so I'll have 400 watts on the roof. And then I got 1,000 watts in portable panels, because you can see here the sun's not real great here, but I have 2 charge controllers in the camper, so I can just hook it up. I actually probably need to get a longer MC4 extension cable. I don't know if you can see that. Hook it up and put the panel on the sun, so it runs everything I need, charges all my electronics and whatnot. So it's a good setup. Second time I've had it out. There's probably a few things I'm gonna change to it after using it a couple times, but otherwise no complaints. And then just an update on the bike. I got everything on it now that I had ordered. I got the skid plate, molecule skid plate, and there's the Emperor radiator guards. That's a serious guard right there. I will tell you though, if you get it, it is aluminum obviously, and I stripped that insert out, so I have to tap it out, but didn't have time before I left. So yeah, what else? Swing arm guards, of course the GET ECU. Graves exhaust, love this thing. And a couple other things, minor. So there's some form and some function upgrades. Wow, that's a wrap guys. Another weekend in the books at Namaji. Now it's time for the worst part, and it's cleaning all this stuff up and hitting the road. After using the trailer twice now, I'm starting to work things out. So the next trip I take, I'm going to be going to a different state and be doing a BDRX, so bring you along for that one. Until next time, take care.